Mama, that way making beats again.
What is up, YouTube? This is your girl Retouch, and I am here to do a tutorial for you all. So basically, I'm gonna do my everyday look, but I'm gonna break it up into two parts. I'm gonna do my sorry, I'm using my cell phone right now because I don't feel like going to get my camera. I'm being lazy. I'm gonna do two parts, which will be eyebrows, and then the second video is gonna be the actual face. I wanted to give you all a detailed eyebrow tutorial because I haven't did one in a while, and I'm using new products. Also, all the products that I am using will be from Walmart, the Elf collection, and then I'm gonna use some, I might do lashes, y'all. I'm really not a lash person. I can't figure out how to put these on for the life of me, okay? I'm going to use the Maybelline because this is like one of the best foundations ever. And then everything else. Oh, my concealer is going to be Fenty because this is the only concealer I have on me. But yeah, everything else is pretty much drugstore brand. I might use a little expensive brands, but it ain't gonna be much. Like all this stuff you can find in the drugstore, like, or a supermarket, Walmart or something like that. But yeah, we're gonna get into it. We're gonna start with the eyebrows first. So if you want to learn how to do your eyebrows, keep it locked. All right, guys, so basically I'm gonna be starting off with my Elf brow pencil. It comes with a little spoolie or whatever it's called. I think that's what it's called, spoolie, and a twisty whatever, you know, whatever. Okay, now keep in mind, this is not your normal tutorial because I'm not a professional. I know how to make me look good, and me only. I don't do makeup for other people. This is just like something that I like doing. Started playing makeup at the age of, I don't know, age of high school. We're gonna keep it like that. And I just learned how to perfect it a little bit, not too much, but you know, I just painted it. So before I start off with that pencil, my bad, I always start off with moisturizer. I am using the Pond's Dry Skin Cream with a blue top. So I'm gonna go in and basically just moisturize my face. And then I'm gonna get in there really good. And if you see me looking down, it's because my mirror is right here. So yeah. So after I do that, because Pond's can't, because I'm using the Dry Skin Cream, it's kind of oily. I'm going to take a sponge, one of these little spongy things, triangles that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to take my setting powder from Maybelline in the shade 30 medium deep, and I am going to put this on my eyebrows to like soak up some of that oil or moisturizer, whatever you want to call it. Okay, not a lot, just a little bit to dry it out a little bit. Okay, now I can go on with this little spoolie thing and brush it in the direction I want my brows to go. And you're just gonna draw it how you want to draw it. I'm not gonna tell you how to draw your eyebrows. This is just how I do it. Some people start at the end and then work their way to the front. I don't really care about it, because I feel like I'm gonna get the same look. And then a spool is needed. Oh, that already look kind of good. And some people don't like their eyebrows too dark. I like my eyebrows dark. At some point in times, I do find myself using black, but I only use black because I know how to use it. You don't use black if you don't know how to use it, because you're gonna be looking real draggish, and we don't need that unless you like that. So you're gonna do this one. I always start at the bottom of the eyebrow and then do the top. I dropped my pencil, so.
You know you ain't paid for this.
That's it. These bitches congruent.
You know you ain't paid for this.
Okay, so this is how it looks after I draw it on. I think I did pretty good. Sometimes I struggle with drawing on my eyebrows, like one will be too high, the other one be too low, but this time I did good. And they're not even freshly arched. I should have waxed them, but I didn't do it because I was lazy, like I said before. But yeah, looks pretty good. So next step is concealer. I'm gonna use my Fenty Beauty in the shade 360. So basically how I do this, it has a brush like this. I normally take a flat hair brush of some sort. Is this one I want to use? I think I'm gonna do this one. I'll take a flat head brush, and instead of taking the whole thing under my eye, I'm going to put a little on the brush and just go from there. I don't even know if y'all can see me, but we're gonna give it a try.
You know you ain't paid for this.
Okay, some people take a darker shade and go on top. I don't care about none of that. I'm gonna use the same shade. All right, cool. And boom, it is cleaned up. Okay, now on to the next one. You might get a better view since I'm facing this way. I should have waxed my dog eyebrow. Okay, and then you're gonna take a little fluffy little brush and you're just gonna blend it out.
You know you ain't paid for this.
And that is how I complete my eyebrows. Ain't nothing much to it. You do your moisturizer, put the little setting powder on it, then you spool your little hairs, draw your eyebrows on, do the concealer, and you have this. Some people use a concealer that's closer to their skin color to basically just walk out the house with it on. I don't do that. If I'm gonna do eyebrows, I am going to do a base that goes along with it. So I will be back for you in part 2 to show you how I do my everyday look.
You know you ain't pay for this.